to Operations Management course. In this lecture, we will learn Material Requirement Planning. Material Requirement Planning is another important tool that helps us to manage dependent inventory. And in this course, we will learn how to construct bill of materials, time-based product structure, and gross requirement planning together. Let us briefly take a look at the structure of the course. And we have learned inventory management so far. And in this lecture, we'll finish inventory management. And next time, we'll move on to capacity management. And exam 2 will cover process design, forecasting, inventory, and MRP. Let's first discuss motivation for material requirement planning. Last time, we learned about inventory management. We specifically talked about finished products or independent inventory. It's significant because of the large amount of capital locked up in inventory. It's an unrealized sales, a form of liability. Despite large cost, it is necessary, for it serves as a buffer, mitigate risks in supply and demand. Inventory could be a strategy when it is used to maintain accurate record and use it for discount or decoupling strategy. In this lecture, we want to look at another type of inventory. This is material requirement planning. The need for MRP comes from the existence of dependent demand. Independent demand means that a finished product standalone exists in itself. However, when a manufacturer makes a product such as a car, the demand for its parts are dependent on the demand of the final product, namely car. For example, when 100 Tesla models are ordered, they will need to order at least 4 tires per car. If we consider another spare tire, then 5 tires per car. Tesla cars are independent demand. However, 4 tires are dependent on number of cars ordered. Therefore, these parts are dealing with dependent demand. Toyota said that a single car has about 30,000 parts, counting every part down to the smallest screws. When it comes to moving parts, it has about 200 parts in its drivetrain. Compared to this, Tesla has only 17 moving parts in its powertrain. When it comes to its electric motor, it has only 2 moving parts. Its transmission has no gear. It's a single-speed transmission. It is good to reduce the number of parts in a car, but it consists of multiple parts and it can be quite complex to count and manage all the parts needed for production schedule. That's where the use of inventory management, especially MRP, comes in. Here's another breakdown of iPhone 4 from New York Times. It shows how much a component is worth and where those parts are sourced from. The material cost is $187 and miscellaneous cost is $45. And for assembly, Apple spends only $6.5. Amazing. And their profit margin is a shocking $360, which is more than 50% of profit margin. Take a look at where those components are from. From South Korea are LCD display and flash memory, applications processor, and DRAM. From the United States, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS chips, radio frequency memory, touchscreen control, and audio codec pack. Those are from the United States. From Germany, receiver, transceiver, and power management parts are coming from there. From Italy, accelerator and gyroscope. From Japan is compass. You can see that many parts are from around the globe, and the challenges of manufacturing and assembling iPhones are described here. It's similar to iPhone 5 and 6. I believe iPhone 11 should be similar.